everybody, welcome to Boom City Breaks on a Thursday, April the 20th. I'm sorry, at 4:20. And tonight we are breaking NHL hockey jerseys. Hit Parade NHL hockey jerseys. This here is a 2-box break. In this box at 52 and 23 from a Series 3. We did random team sales. You can see from the left, we have already randomized teams and customers. We then alphabetized those customers so they could see who they had a bit easier. Gave them ample opportunity to trade. Pop. Here we go. Well, man, pulled a lot of Rangers, guys, and this is actually a good one, folks. Yes, sir. That is a Matt Richter. Once again, would have been a nice one to include with the skates. Too bad we didn't have the skates in that, baby. Do believe this one's going to be a custom, folks. It's got the Steiner certification on in there. But we're going to show you. No, it's not. It's a CCM, folks. Yes, it is. A very nice jersey. It's one of the CCMs. It's still got the tags and such on it. But we all know who that's going to be, folks. That is obviously a Rangers jersey. But beautiful, beautiful CCM Rangers jersey here. It's laying on top of the certification card. So I'll show you that in just 1 second. But you all can see, again, she's still got tags on it, everything. A beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Ranger hit. Again, Mike Richter. Rangers. East Coast Breakers. There you go, bud. That's a nice hit for you. Sorry about that. Couldn't see it there. East Coast Breakers. They're going to take that baby home. On to box 2, y'all. We are on to box 2. Box 23, folks. One of my favorite teams, folks. It's not my favorite player, but it is a beauty of a Sabban. Montreal. It is a Reebok, guys. Holy cow. It is not a LaFleur or a Dryden. But she is a beauty, guys. I'm a huge Montreal fan, so we are going to open this baby up like it or not. Holy cow, man. Wow. What a great jersey, guys. Look at it. Wow. This is a wonderful jersey, folks. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Montreal Canadiens jersey, folks. Holy cow. PK Sabban, folks. Montreal. CCN, there you go, bud. CCN has some luck in our room lately. If y'all want to have some fun like this and pull some unbelievable NHL jerseys, y'all got to stop on by breakers.tv, where you'll find me or the Great Gatsby breaking all forms of memorabilia 7 nights a week, starting at about 8 p.m. Central. We usually go until the room clears out. We would also appreciate a click on that follow button while there. Have a great night.